What's up YouTube? If you're new here, I'm Leah. Welcome to my channel and welcome to my weirdness. Today I'm going to be filming a LULUS haul. I did one of these before because LULUS was nice enough to send me a bunch of stuff, and they sent me a bunch of stuff again. So here I am again to show you some more things. I'm on my patio. No, not my patio. On my porch because it's very nice out and I will find literally any excuse to be outside and not be inside. So here we are. I have to try to remember what outfits I put together. I don't really remember what I did when I tried them on, so we're just gonna wing it and let's hope I talk about the outfits together. The first one I'm gonna talk about is this jean skirt with this yellow crop top. So as you can see in the video, it's a white jean skirt and a yellow crop top. I really like this crop top. It's like a v-neck, but it has just a regular racerback, how do you say it? So it won't be hard to find a bra to wear with, which is a problem with a lot of shirts, is that it's harder to find bras to wear with them, but this one should be simple. And it's very soft and stretchy, and like I just love this color. I want everything in this color this summer because it's just so pretty. And then the jean skirt, these are making a comeback like big time. I really like this. I didn't think that I would, and I will link all my sizes down below and I will link all the products down below. This one I got in a medium and it fits me perfect. It's a little bit big in the waist, but I mean that's with any jean material, but it fits me perfectly and it is super comfy and it is just like so free. It's like, I don't know, I just really like it, and now I want a ton more jean skirts because it's so cute and I'm so glad they're making a comeback because it's so easy to wear. Okay, then the next outfit I think I had was this black crop top. Yes, I have them on the hangers right now, okay? And it's got these little ties. It's really cute. It's just like a plain black crop top. You could wear this to the gym, you could wear this to go out. I'll probably wear it to do both because I'm very versatile. I buy clothes because they're versatile and I can wear them to the gym, I can wear them out, I can wear them to do whatever I want. And then these jean shorts. These are Sneak Peek brand. They are high-rise shorts. I got these in a medium. They fit really nice. They're super comfy. They do gape a little bit in the waist, but I mean I just kind of expect that with jean shorts and any shorts because I'm used to it. But they're super comfy and they're really freaking cute. It's so hard for me to find jean shorts that actually fit and that like I like. So I was very glad that I found these. I did order a different pair originally and then I sent those back and I got these ones and perfect. I love them. I want them in more colors now. And then the next thing I tried on was the jean shorts with this top. It's just like, I think it's called a blush color, but it's more of a nude blush to me, and it has the little ties again. I like shirts with little ties. This one's not super stretchy. It's more of that tight material, but it still has a little bit of stretch to it. And the front is just kind of a regular V, as you can see in the video. But this is just cute to wear with jean shorts. I could wear it with a jean skirt. You can just kind of do whatever you want to it. Dress it up, dress it down. It's very versatile, as I said with the last thing, because I like versatile things, because I like being able to wear them multiple times. Yeah, I like this color. Everybody is into neutrals now, and I'm one of everybody because I like neutrals too, so yeah. Then next I will talk about these shorts. And what shirt did I wear with it? This top. I didn't even order these like thinking of outfits, which I need to start doing because I order things online and I think, oh, I'll wear this and I'll wear this, but then I never like think of what am I gonna wear this with. I just order things. But luckily this time around these seemed like a lot of outfits, so I got these blue shorts and this white crop top. Let's talk about the crop top first, because I think I did the crop top on it. Shut up, you bird. I did the crop top on its own. This is Free People. Shut up. I got a size extra small / small. It's super, that bird, I'm gonna kill you. Ah, bee. Shh, be quiet. So it's super stretchy and it has, this bottom part is a little weird to me, how it's got this like, I don't know, but you can't tell that it like goes in when you put it on, I guess. I don't know. I got this in nude too. Hey, bird, shut up! I got this in a nude color too, but I just wanted to show the white on because they're both the same shirt, just a different color. But yeah, I really like it. It's very comfy, and it's just, these straps are kind of weird. Like, why even put a strap? It's just so, it's so small, it's pointless. I'm not understanding that. I don't know. Okay, so now let's talk about these shorts. I'm gonna go chase the bird, 1 sec. Okay, hopefully there will be no more obnoxious bird now, because I ran up to the tree and I shook the tree and I saw a bird fly away, so I think that was the one. But anyways, these shorts. I don't know what to think about them. They looked so cute on the model, and they just looked like they would be, you know, the high-rise shorts that are like this material that, I don't know what I expected them to be, but these just remind me of like balloon shorts. And it feels like I'm going to like a circus, you know, I can swing with them. I feel like a hula dancer kinda. So I kept shaking my butt around and stuff because I felt like a hula dancer. And you know, if I shake too much, you're gonna see my butt cheeks, because they're not that long. I don't know if these are meant to be high-rise, but I made them high-rise when I put them on. So maybe they're meant to go lower, but even lower they look weird. I don't know. Let me know if you like these. I'm very undecided on them. Like, some angles I think they look okay, and when I put them on I'm like, what even are these? Like, I wanted to wear these with maybe a bodysuit or a crop top like I'm kind of wearing in the video. I don't know. Let me know down below if you like them. I'm undecided. They're a little bit something that I don't normally wear, so I might have to run away because there's a bee. Maybe I'm not meant to film outside. Go away. Oh no. Oh shit! That dick face. This is right in my face! Dick face. This is right in my face! I really thought it flew right in my hair. I'm still unsure if it's in my hair. Oh, why me? Next, I will talk about this dress. It is like a peach color, and then it fades into a white and then into a blue. I just thought it was so pretty. When I saw it online, I said I have to have that. It is a little bit hard to get on because these strings confuse me, but I feel like maybe that's just me because I get very confused by strings. I got it in a small, and like the top has these little tassels on the back, which I don't really care about, and it does have a lining on the inside. The lining is like super short. If I bend over, my butt's still gonna show because this material is not super like sturdy. It's a little bit sheer, kind of, but overall this dress is so cute. I love it. I like how it has the slits in the legs, and you can see my legs, my little legs and stuff. 10 out of 10. I love this one. Next, I will talk about this romper. At first I didn't really like it because it has this material at the top, material at the top, and it kind of like the ribbed makes it look like I have no boobs, which I don't. But at first I said, oh, I don't really like this, it's not that flattering on me, and then I'm like, who cares, I don't have any boobs, I kind of like it. It is a little bit short. I got a small. I probably should have gotten a medium, but you know, whatever. It's cute though. I like the pattern, and I like how it's the little off the shoulder. Definitely need to wear a bra with it because in this I'm not wearing a bra with it. So maybe once I put like a strapless bra on, my little tatas will look a little less little. I definitely like this. Like I said, I got a small. Probably should have gotten a medium, but cute print. Next, I will talk about this salmon colored dress. I've been eyeing this on their website for a long time, so I finally ordered it. I did get a medium, and it's a little bit big. I probably could have gotten away with a small, but I might just get it altered because it's only big in the waist. Other than that, it's completely fine. And it's just a little skater dress. It's got kind of, I don't know why I keep just throwing it around and playing with it, a v-neck, and then it zips up in the back. It's very pretty. I love these kind of dresses because they're so easy and so versatile. You can wear them if you're going on a date, you can wear them even to a wedding, you can wear them if you're just going to brunch. They're just really cute. It is like a thicker material kind of, but it's good material, and it's pretty stretchy. But yeah, I really like this. It's just so cute, and I'm just obsessed with this color. I love the color salmon. The last thing, it's this red bodysuit. At first I ordered it in a small, and I sent it back and got a medium. And I think in the video when I was wearing it, I had the straps twisted because they're not supposed to have like, yeah, it's just supposed to be a crisscross. I don't know how I got them twisted when I put it on, but I'm an idiot. But it's this red silky bodysuit. It's super, super low, like, chested, low V-cut. I don't know what that's called, but it's very sexy. And I would wear it with either jeans, high-waisted jeans, or maybe even the shorts, or maybe even the skirt like I wore it with. I think I wore it with the white skirt, but I like it. It's pretty flattering. It's very silky smooth. I just want to rub my face on it. It's so nice. But yeah, I like this. I don't know what I was thinking when I first ordered a medium or a small. I never order smalls in like anything except for sometimes dresses and stuff. But yeah, I like it. It's very pretty, and I really, really like the back, of course. I always order things because of the back, because I like pretty backs. I like showing off my back and stuff. But yeah, I think that was it. I feel like it went by quick because I did a lot of outfits together, but yep, we is done. I talked about all of this stuff, all of it. So yeah, that was my second LULUS haul. I hope you enjoy it. I do like LULUS. I get a lot of questions on the sizing. People ask me, you know, how do their clothes fit? Do you think they're true to size? Do you think they're small? I can't really say because it's not like they just have one brand. I mean, LULUS does have their own brand that they sell, but they sell like Free People. A couple of these are Free People, and they're just random other brands. So each brand is going to be different, so I can't really say if they're true to size or not. It's always a hit or miss. Like sometimes a small will fit me, sometimes a medium fits me better. It's just really, I don't know, look at the sizing chart and pay attention to the material. So that's my recommendation. The sizing charts are pretty accurate, so I would definitely say pay attention to that. Other than that, even if I do get something that's like a small, it's not too small, or if a medium is a little bit big, it's not anything insane, so you're pretty safe. They have great quality, great customer service. I love LULUS, and thank you again, LULUS, for sending me all these clothes once again, because now my wardrobe is great for summer, and I have so many cute clothes that I can wear to Nashville at the end of the month. So yeah, that was that, and I think we're done here. But I hope you enjoyed this LULUS haul. My clothing hauls seem to get a lot of love because everybody's always looking for clothes. I do need to do an activewear haul, so that will be coming soon. Stay tuned, friends. Make sure you like and subscribe, and maybe hit the little bell so you know when I do post. I try my best to post at least once a week, sometimes two, but it's usually either on Sunday or Wednesday, so one of the two. But yeah, like and subscribe. I love you, bye.